Hi guys, it's Catherine and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be making a Victoria sponge cake. I don't think I've done this before, so we're doing it all from scratch, and it is also to celebrate my brother getting a first in his uni degree. I don't actually know what he did at uni, but all I know is that he got a first, so. Okay, I thought I would just pop on and say that 77% of you who have watched my videos in the past 28 days are not subscribed to my YouTube channel. Like, what are you doing? It's literally free. You get where I'm coming from? So, you know, if you want to subscribe, you know you always can. It'll be much appreciated. Thank you to everyone, every single 95 of you that actually are subscribed. I love you lots. Let's see if we can get to 100 before August. Is that possible? It's 27th today, so... And also, are we feeling this outfit? My dad said he doesn't like it, but I don't know if I do or not. I've also got my cup of tea. Something I don't usually have, but today I felt like a cup of tea with my Victoria sponge, feeling very British, except from this outfit. It was a bit, like, not me, so... Okay, first thing I did was sort out the greaseproof paper. The greaseproof paper, so I measured out how much I needed to cover the bottom, draw a circle around it with a pencil, and cut it out. Then I buttered the bottom of the tins and the sides, and then stuck the greaseproof paper to the bottom, as you can see there. There's me getting it into the corners. Next step is to preheat the oven to 180. Okay, next we need a bowl and a scale. Okay, I'm doing my life hack as always by putting the tissue so the butter doesn't stick. But for this recipe you'll need 225 grams of butter, 225 grams of caster sugar, 225 grams of self-raising flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 4 large eggs. There's me cracking it like a pro. With my one hand, go me. But this obviously didn't go very well the second time. I got the shell in it and everything, and I even split the yolk, so what bad luck on me. So in the end, for the next 2 eggs, I just did it the traditional two-handed way. Whoop whoop, look at me go. And then I use the electric whisk to mix. I had to go back in and cut up butter because silly me didn't cut it up before I put it in. I also would recommend if you leave it out at room temperature, because mine was still a little bit cold from being in the fridge. Then I just went ahead and separated it into 2 of the tins, but because the tins were so wide, the cake turned out quite flat, as you'll see soon. Okay, and now we just put these in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, timer has gone off. The book has also changed page. So the cakes are ready to get out the oven. Okay, I've let them sit for about 2 minutes. It just says to go like this. To loosen the edges. The edges are pretty loose anyway, but now it says leave for 10 minutes and then I'll be back to push them out with the trays. Okay, here are the extremely flat cakes. That's what we're going to call them now. I need to take off the bottom somehow, but I didn't really think that through. See, that's what it's supposed to look like, and that's what it does look like. Didn't really think this one through. They also both, like, this one goes up this way and this one goes down in and up. And I didn't open the oven, so I don't know what happened. But we move on. Here we have the strawberry jam. This is actually from Aldi, I think. I do not like that shop. Right, I've got some buttercream that I just made. It's, well, it's butter and ice and sugar. I believe that's all you need. If not, I've just made my own buttercream. And I've got this fondant icing that is already rolled out, and we're going to put this on top. Okay, I've never done this, so this is something new. Oh my lord, I literally just told you, a silly little porky pie. I actually have done this before. Just remembered that I had to make a Harry Potter cake back in like year 8 for World Book Day for English class. Don't know what it was about, but I did. Okay, I literally do not know what I'm doing, but I feel like I just need a little bit of water around the edges to stick it to the cake. Okay, I hope I'm doing something right. What that may be, we do not know, but I have tried to like tighten it around the edges, and I think I'm going to cut it away because I don't want to leave it looking like that. You can kind of see the cake a little bit there, but otherwise, look how good that is. I'm so happy with that. Let me see what I've got in the cupboard. I've got like a baking cupboard because, you know, I'm that bougie. But let me see what's in my baking cupboard. Actually, no, it's not even a baking cupboard. It's a baking cupboard. Honestly, someone just tell me to shut up. Like, who do I think I am? Let me see what's in the baking cupboard, and then how many times I'm going to say that, and then I'll be back. I just knew I had something to do the fondant with, and I had all these like little pen thingamajiggies. They're not pens, but I did also find a pen. Now I believe this is, yeah, dark gold. So maybe I could use this to write something. No, this is an edible pen as well. Just, I think I might do balloons. Like 2 balloons. Or I could do 1 ST with the pen. I'm going to do something with this and then I'll be back with you guys because otherwise it's going to be pretty boring watching me. Okay, here's the final cake. I don't want to lift it up too much just in case like I do splat it on the ground. I think I'm quite happy with how it turned out. Obviously I don't know what it tastes like yet, but we will probably try it tonight because it is quiz night. Okay, not to brag or anything, but it was absolutely delicious. It is quiz night, right? Yeah, it is. But yeah, I'm quite happy with how it overall looks. I haven't even showed you what it looks like actually because I forgot. Here is how it turned out. So I individually picked out the hundreds and thousands to put a bit of colour on the balloons, and then I said well done. I added that. I didn't want to do that at first, but I did in the end just to add something at the bottom, and then it says first at the top. So I'm pretty proud of it. Anyway, that is the end of this video. I really did hope you enjoyed it. Maybe I've inspired you to bake something this week. If you would like to subscribe, please click here. If you'd like to see another one of my videos, please click there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next Sunday at 6 p.m. Bye!